Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy back at you again. How you doing? How's your morning going? I scratched my eye last night. Well, I tell you, when I sleep wild sometimes, it don't take long for it to heal, but good God, it's the healing process. That's the hardest part. And that's what I'm going to talk about, the healing process. I mean, have you ever been heartbroken, lied on, cheated on, dog out, and you're going through something right now that you can't believe? I mean, these are unpredictable times, perilous times where the people at the top still not telling you the whole truth. They're trying to hide something, and they're playing with the public health, and that's sad. They're playing with the public health, and I'm telling you, it's sad. But when the top can't be honest with it's a mess. But I'm going to continue with healing. You know, healing takes a process. It's not an easy process. It's a painful process. It's a lot in the healing, because sometimes your spirit can be broken. Sometimes your body can be broken, and sometimes you can be broken, and that's real. We all been hurt, and we all had to heal from a loss. Some losses are greater than others, but it's a process of getting through it. Sometimes you can't never get through it because it don't happen overnight. Like, for example, if you break an arm or a leg or get a bruise or something, they can kind of guesstimate how long it takes for that bone to mend back together. You know what I'm saying? For things to work itself out, to heal. But it don't happen overnight. It takes time to heal anything. But you got to be careful in the healing process, because you can do more damage by re-injuring something than letting it heal all the way. It's called a setback. Sometimes a setback is almost worse than the original pain, because we want to rush things. We don't want to follow doctor's orders. We want to do how we want to do it. But guess what? You'll get through this. You will. It's hurting right now, but joy does come in the morning. It didn't say which morning, and it didn't never say how long the night was going to be. See, sometimes you think the night is just for the night. Sometimes a night can be days. It can be weeks. It can be months. But it will come. I mean, that's how, if I hold back these tears, I'll just die. Osley Brothers, baby. Osley Brothers, the shiznit. I mean, and it's true, if you hold back these tears, you will die. You gotta let these tears go. You got to cry sometimes. It's part of life. My email is weldon@gmail.com. Once again, my email is weldon@gmail.com. It will get better. Nothing stays the same. It will get better. Keep fighting. Keep pressing. Keep holding out, because healing is not easy. Healing will make you stronger. Oh, boy, it's hell going through the process now. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. Going through the healing process is hard. Sometimes you don't want to eat. Sometimes you don't want to think. Sometimes it's stressful. But you will heal. This too shall pass. I mean, love conquers all. Sometimes you got to smile to keep from crying. Laughter is the best medicine sometimes. It really is. But yeah, it'll get better one day. Not today, it will get better. I will not come and say some crazy stuff about, oh, don't worry about it. Nah, I'm a realist. I've been through some stuff. When you don't be beat down, beat up, and sometimes you don't see no hope. Sometimes you don't put all your best in stuff, and it don't go your way. You feel hurt because you get tired of people taking advantage of you, being abused, and all that good jazz. But you're a survivor, baby. You're a survivor.